The outstanding team in both games, netball and football, is going to take a trophy and a boat.
The challenge we face is that when these children go back to the communities, to their homes, to the schools, usually we have a backslide, that's what I can call it, where you find a parent neglects a child, they don't feed well, they are not allowed to go and play. I'm very happy for this occasion. The project has organized for us because football, netball, I can say generally sports, they are very good because you see my health have improved because of the sports.
I take my sincerely appreciation to our PD, Genital Development Center, for the organization of the matches, the sports. I really thank them because the sports, we have really enjoyed them.